Today we are going to discuss about the next part of the fraction, that is fraction in simplest form. Okay. So see that what is the simplest form? That means if a numerator and denominator of a fraction have no common factor other than 1, then it is said to be simplest form or lowest term or irreducible term. That means if in reducible term the HCF of the numerator and denominator is 1. In book, see that two process will be there, HCF method and prime factorization method. So two type of method is there. So now I am discussing both the method, but I am suggesting the for doing the sums without method normally cancellation. So first of all I am doing the HCF method. So what is the method HCF method? HCF method. So what is the HCF method? So HCF method means, suppose 72 by 90 is given. We have to find the simplest form of this number. So now see that if we divide the biggest by the smallest, that means 72, 90, then 1, then 72, 18, 72, then 72. So 18 is the common factor, highest common factor of these two number. So if we divide 18 by both, we get 4 by 5. Okay. So 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 72 by 90. Now see that the prime factorization method on same number. See that. So in prime factorization method, see that two numbers are there, 72 by 90. So 72 means we can write 2, this is 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, then 3, 3. Okay. And 90 means 5, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. Okay. So that means you can write in the position of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And in 90 position we can write this. Okay. Now see that these 3 are cancelled and 1, 2 is cancelled. So the remaining is 4 by 5. So this is the simplest part of 72 by 90. Okay, this is two process we have to follow. And one shortcut process I am going to tell now. See that. So the trick is (72 by 90). Okay. So in exam hall we are not follow all time the rules. Okay. That's why we are using some tricks over there. So now see that we know the divisions rule, division rule of 2, division rule of 3, division rule of 5. Okay. This is enough, 2 and 3 and 5. So the last digit is 2 and 0. So we can divide by 2, this is 36 and this is 45. Okay. Similarly, this is divided by 3 because both are multiple of 3. This is 3, that means 12. and this is 15. Then again by 3, then we can write 4, then this is 5. So the answer is 4 by 5. Okay. So these are normal process for finding the simplest form of any fraction. Now we are going to start our exercise. So now in exercise 4b, you see that 182 35 by 49 is given. So we know that 35 is the multiple of 7 and 49 is also multiple of 7. So we can write here, divide by 7, this is 5 and this is 7. So answer is 5 by 7. Now similarly, number 4, 64 by 81. So 64 by 81, see that the last number is not divisible by 3 because 4 is there and the last number of denominator is 1. That means this is divisible by 4. So this is not divisible by any number. So for checking, we can use any method, HCF or prime. So 64 means we can write so see that 4 into 4 into 4, that means 64, and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that means 81. So no number is common in numerator and denominator. Okay. So this form is the ultimate form. We cannot reduce this form. We cannot reduce this form. Now, next one. In 6, see that 23 by 92. Okay. Sometimes this type of fractions are coming. So for this type of fractions, we have to just use the HCF or HCF method. Okay. For big fractions, we are using HCF method for easy calculations. So see that if we divide by 92 by 23, then this is 4, that means 92. That means if we divide it, then we get 1, we get 4. That means 1 by 4 is the answer. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay. Next one. In number 7, see that in number 107, 102 by 119. Okay. So if we divide 119 by 102, 17, then 102, 6, 102. So 17 is the highest common factor. So if we divide by 17, we get 6 and this is 7. And this is 6 by 7. Now in the last one, number 8, 91 by 114. Okay. So 91 by 114. So divide it by 91. 1, 3, 2, then 91. So 1. 1 is the highest common factor of these two numbers. One is the highest common factor of two numbers, then that means the fraction is remain same. The fraction is remain same. Okay. Next one. In 12.1, see that 27 by 36 is given. Okay. So if we divide both are then in the table of 3, you see that. So if we divide by 3, then we get 9 and this is 12. If we get divide another 3, that means 3 and this is 4. And this is 3 by 4. Next one, number 3, see that 38 by 95. This, some of them is complicated, some of them is easy because it's the divisible of 19. This is 2 by 5. Otherwise, you can use the HCF method. Okay. Now in number 6, 105 by 168. Now I am dividing this. So 105 by 168, 105. So this is 3, this is 6, 63. So 105 again, so 163. So 2, 4, again 63. So 142, 121. So 42. That means 2. So it's matched. That means 21 is the common factor. Okay. So if we divide 21 by this, we get 5. And if I 21, so this is 8. Okay. So 8 and this is 5. So 5 by 8 is the answer here. Okay. So rest of the work are homework. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye bye.